In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable UPI payments in the WP Travel Engine for 2025. Let's dive right into the process. To kick things off, you'll want to log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is your hub for controlling your site's functions, so familiarize yourself with its layout. Once you're in, navigate your way to the WP Travel Engine section, then go to Settings and finally Payment. This is where you'll handle all things related to transaction processes on your travel site. Next, you'll need to look for the UPI or payment gateway options. This is an important step because you're setting up a method through which your customers can make payments using UPI. If you don't see the UPI option listed by default, consider checking for a UPI payment plugin. Some popular ones that are compatible with WP Travel Engine include Razorpay or Paytm. Depending on your needs, these plugins can provide additional features for more seamless transaction processing. Once you've identified a suitable plugin, proceed to install and activate it on your site. This action integrates the payment gateway with your travel engine, enabling UPI payments. Installation is typically straightforward, and activation is just a click away. After activation, it's crucial you configure the UPI gateway correctly. This involves entering essential details like your merchant ID or key. Usually, these credentials are provided by your UPI service provider when you set up your account. Additionally, you will need to enter your UPI ID. This is another critical identifier for managing payments effectively. It helps ensure that the transactions are routed correctly, so double check for any typos or errors before saving. If available, enable test mode. This helpful feature allows you to simulate transactions without processing actual payments, a perfect way to ensure everything runs smoothly before going live. After ticking off these configurations, you'll head back to the Settings panel in WP Travel Engine, specifically under Payment, to enable UPI as a payment method. Make sure to save these changes by clicking on Save Settings. This action finalizes your modifications, storing your configurations within the system. To wrap up, it's always wise to test the booking flow on your site. Conduct a test transaction to confirm that the UPI payments are deploying correctly. This step ensures that all setups are functioning as they should, giving you peace of mind and your customers a seamless experience. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have UPI enabled for your WP Travel Engine in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos.